In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quantity option on Shopify. This is a straightforward process that will greatly enhance your customers' shopping experience by allowing them to easily select the number of items they wish to purchase. Having a quantity field can make a big difference in sales, especially when selling multi-packs or encouraging bulk purchases. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you've successfully logged in, find the Products section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where all your product offerings are listed. If you're new to Shopify, the range of options can seem overwhelming, but don't worry, focusing on the task at hand will make it manageable. Now, within your product list, locate the product to which you'd like to add the quantity option. Click on the product name to open its details page. Here, you'll see all sorts of information you can modify, from the product title to the description and pricing. Today, we're specifically interested in the variants section. If your product already has variants like size or color, you'll see them here. Next, make sure that in the product details under the variants section, the Track Quantity checkbox is checked. This option allows you to manage and track how much inventory you have on hand for this product. It's crucial because if this option isn't enabled, your customers won't be able to select a quantity, and the product will always appear as either available or sold out. At this point, if you haven't already created any variants and your product has multiple options, like sizes or colors, you might want to add those now. However, if you only want to offer the quantity selection, you might skip this part for the time being. Once you have confirmed Track Quantity is checked, scroll down to the pricing section if you're offering quantity discounts. Shopify allows you to set different prices for bulk purchases, which can be a fantastic incentive to increase sales. Consider offering discounts for larger quantities to encourage customers to buy more. Now that you've got all the settings right, all that's left is to preview how this quantity option appears on your store. Go to your Shopify admin homepage, click on Online Store, and then click View Your Store to see the changes in action. Check the product page and ensure that there's a visible field for selecting the quantity before adding it to the cart. This simple feature gives your customers the flexibility they need, resulting in a more user-friendly experience on your shop. And that wraps up our tutorial on adding a quantity option in Shopify today. With these changes, your customers will enjoy a more seamless shopping experience, and you should see a potential boost in sales. So thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify!